Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So I am making a video where I will tell you that how you can download your pre-registration certificate from Dari. So let's continue the video. So as you can see, we are logged into Dari. We can click on the contracts. We can go to off-plan properties. Then you see contract details. If you have a property, it will show like this. So as soon as we click on contract details, it will show something like this. Then your all the property details will be shown here like this. You can see your unit number, building number, location, everything whatever the details you have for your property, you can see with your name, your percentage of the property. Then you can click on the download on the right hand side. You can download your SPA document as well as your off-plan certificate. So we are downloading the pre-registration certificate and I'll show you how it looks. And this is very important document if you want to list your property under Dari or like property finder, Bayut, anywhere.